allows me to record.
Okay.
Documentation. Let's go. So here we're talking about the person. So a person will describe the user with the gender, name, and the tags. Okay. The constructor, let me get this out. So this first constructor, for real user. And then the longer description. I think I forgot to do it here. Let me see. Oh no, I did. Saving the keys. Okay. So
you don't like what? Sorry.
No, because before I was saving the tags individually. Then I learned that it was necessary to use the tag master, but I already did it.
Okay.
Okay, it would save the information here and the tags in the tag master. There you go. Okay. This constructor here. Construction for the date. It will not be used account. So it does not need a name. It will
One question, that list of tags that you are providing for that account, is that like tags that that person, or like questions that the person has done, or is tags of the profile?
Tags of the profile.
Oh, okay.
Same thing for a real person or a date. It's like
Okay.
those pages we created.
Okay.
Um, so for example, like when we are implementing, probably this thing is going to change with something. Okay. Get gender, self-explanatory, get full name, all this is self-explanatory. Blah, blah, blah. Tag master, it's done. Okay, so this is for Vitaly because I'm recording. So the tag master is going to be the center for all the questions or the tags. All the questions and profiles that use tags, they are going to reference to this tag master. So here I can add a tag. So if the tag already exists, I'm just going to return the key to find it later inside of the tag master. And if it does not exist, I'm going to add it to the tag master and return a key to whoever is calling it. So this object is going to be able to find this tag later. And I have this method, so I'll be able to get all the tags that exist. And this get tag spec. So I'm going to provide a list with keys. So let's say I want just 5 tags. I don't want the whole thing. I just want 5 tags. So I'm going to create the list with the keys to these tags. And this method is going to return a list with the tags related to those keys. And that's it for tag master. Questions master. So let's. Okay. Questions master is going to store all existing questions, store all the existing questions, and the logic to manipulate them. Yes. Probably needs a better explanation. Okay. The constructor. It doesn't have much. Where is the constructor? What happened? Lost the constructor. No. Ooh, that's bad. It doesn't have a constructor. So let's create one.
You mean the constructor for question?
Just to initialize these variables. No, but this is the questions master. That thing that will have all the questions. Wow, and the code worked without the constructor. Let me see how I use that. Just a second. Let's see. Questions master. Okay, the first time this thing is used. Oh, it has a constructor. I'm even passing a parameter. I'm just not finding it. It should be on the top. That's why I have to organize this. Here. Constructor. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Add a question. Let me just remember what this thing does. I'm just going to copy this. Short explanation, longer explanation, the question. It's going to return. What's going to return? Key. That's going to return the question. Oh, that's wrong. It should return the key as well. So let me see here. Okay, here. You should return a key to this question. So let me change it. It's probably not going to break the code. No, question master, sorry. Okay. So it's going to return string. Questions map. And the questions map will actually happen. Oh, that's right. String question, okay. Okay, I'm returning the summary because the summary is the key. And the other here, I just added it. And it's going to be the same thing.
Pessoal, talk about the weird.
No, next time. Same thing here. So instead of returning the whole question, just a summary. Okay. Add a new question. It does if it is if it already exists, if it already exists, just return its key. If it does not, add and return It's return and I can remove that. Oh my heck, this is going to be a lot of work. Let's do it. Determine what? Determine the best questions. Yes. Let's base it on the tags of the profile of the date. It's going to return what? Dot questions, okay. Dot questions, what's the type of dot questions? Map. Okay. Map. Longer explanation. Gathers the proof tags describe the date profile using the list of keys. Sort the tags by the number of rows we have use a tree to sort by the key. The key that's too long. Let me cut it here. After I've done it, get that's no the top. Get the top question of each tag in list. Map with no questions. Easier than expected. Now I will do the debug. Difference, I think it needs an explanation. I think we should add the, what do you think? Add the Java doc here in the top on the description of the method or in a variable?
Or in the what?
Like this description here for the whole method. Do you think I leave it here or I add this description of this variable right above the variable?
Probably for that you only get like simple comments, but if you want to specify more in the method or in the class, you can.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How can I write this freaking word? Overwritten. Oh, it has two R's and two D's. Overwritten. Would be over in a map. So, there we go. Oh, do you think I leave these comments here or I erase them all?
If it helps to explain why you use the variable or what that loop does, I think you could keep it.
Okay. So
Yeah, but instead of having it beside the bracket, just probably on top of the loop.
yes, don't need that. ask a question, you just create the question and add to the question master, so it doesn't need that method.
Okay.
Okay. Done. Tag master done. Tag.
Yeah, in that block, I think you're missing the return. Yeah, it does. You're still not explaining why we are returning.
Where?
In that method, you have highlighted that one.
Oh yeah.
Get percent upvotes.
Blah, 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 get percentage of upvotes. So for Vitaly again, this is tag. Okay, so both for the tag and for the questions, they have this object here that is the vote tracker. So the vote tracker is going to have all the logic for the votes. So for example here, this is going to get the percentage of upvotes for this specific tag. So I will tag the user just to know the gender to return the text. So here it's going to return, that thing should be double.
Well, probably I have to leave you finish that, so probably I have to go.
Okay, so
okay,
that counts as the team activity for sure.
yeah, sure.
Okay, so it's going to, I'll continue here because I'll be recording, but yes, see you later. Thanks for participating.
Okay, no problem.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so percentage of upvotes. So I'm going to explain it later, but the vote tracker is going to center all the logic for this part. And I use the person just to know the gender. Okay, so return the percentage of upvotes for this particular tag. Okay, and the user who wants to know get the gender to know which votes to return. This method is not necessary. This was for debugging purposes. Manipulate the tag. Okay, upvote. This is important. Add and upvote. Oh my. This. Take the user know which gender to add the vote.
Então, eu estou refazendo. Eu fiz seu e também dos jovens, né? Eu mandei para você no zap. Você não conseguiu ver a imagem, eu tenho que mandar amanhã de novo. Mas já está pronto.
Não.
Eu tenho que fazer outro. Ele tem como consertar aqui.
That's it for the tag.
Só não foi hoje.
Person, okay.
Amanhã eu mando novamente.
Comment still needs to be created. Account. So the account doesn't have anything because the account is going to house all the how can I say, the authentication stuff. So I don't know how this is going to go, but this class is for this part, but it's not ready yet. Person, okay, it has the documentation here. Tag, okay. Tag master. Okay, so tag master is going to store all the tags. So for example, add tag is going to have the logic to add a tag. It's going, for example, let's say I want to add a tag that already exists in this list. I'm just going to return the key to retrieve this tag later. And if it doesn't exist, I'm going to add the tag to the list and then return a key to retrieve it later. I have the ability to get all the tags that exist in the app. And this is one of the most important methods where I can get a specific pack of tags. So I create a list with the tags I want. Now a list with the keys for the tags I want. I pass it here, sorry, and it's going to return this list just with the tags I want. Okay, okay. Questions master. I think I already talked about it. The most important method here is help on date, and it's also going to store all the questions that exist in the code. Goal tracker, oh, this is very important. So let me add the description here.
Tudo bem. Você não viu o link aí? Mas você viu o seu e-mail? Não. O link. Não tem nada lá, não tem nada de hoje.
This team and who.
É à tarde. Você fala comigo umas 2 horas da tarde. Safra tem. Safra tem.
That's basically it. So we have here constructor. So whenever I want to know if a specific user has voted or not, I'm going to use the account of this user, and I'm going to pass this as a parameter. I'm going to check if this user has voted, upvoted or downvoted, it doesn't matter. And if it has, if it is on inside of one of those collections, it's going to return true, and if it has not, it's going to return false. Okay. Check if
qual? Achou o link aí? Não tem. O que tem? O que tem aí? O que tem aí? Tu tá com ele na sua frente? Ou você tá vendo no celular? Ou tá vendo no computador? É no seu e-mail, né? Eu recebo os e-mails. Ok. Bom, então faz o seguinte. Como o Fernando agora tá muito tarde, eu vou falar com o Fernando amanhã cedo. A partir de que horário eu posso chamar?
Okay, the cap percentage of votes is very important as well.
Confirmar com ele a questão do e-mail.
Percentage of upvotes.
Ah, tá certo. Porque se foi pelo WhatsApp, não deu mesmo. Eu vou falar com ele se foi pelo WhatsApp. Eu vou perguntar pra ele se foi pelo WhatsApp, se tem que mandar pelo e-mail. Mas aí eu vou confirmar só amanhã pra você. Tá bom? Então amanhã. Misericórdia. Atrapalha nós, né?
Okay, so explaining the get percentage of votes, I have those two counters here. So it will create counters for male and female votes.
Não, mas
Loop through collection.
isso
Loop through
mesmo.
the collection.
Isso mesmo. Ah, tranquilo. Então deixa eu só confirmar com ele se ele mandou via WhatsApp, porque se for, ele só mandando pelo e-mail para poder confirmar. Mas aí eu te respondo amanhã.
Sorry.
Okay?
So create the counters for
Obrigado, seu Paulo.
upvotes and downvotes.
Até amanhã, querido. Seu professor.
And this here is where we use the person. So use the person to determine if we will return male or female results. If the person is male, return female results, and vice versa. Vice versa. Yeah. Or up and down roads, loops through the collection, and if the road is one up there you go. Person. Person get the gender. A float with the percentage of votes. Just organizing the comments here, but that thing is already up there. Explanation is already there. Oh, this explanation is good. So thanks.
Onde você tá? Me avisou? Viu? 10h30. Deixa eu ver essa aí. Quem carregou, meu? Hã? Mas da manhã? Não, mas ele já apareceu aqui. Pode ficar aí.
Okay, so one of the possible results is 0. So to avoid an error by a division by 0, I have this if statement here. But the other cases is going to return this calculation here to get the percentage of votes. So I just add up those counters with the total votes. So up votes, down votes, add them. Then I take the upvotes and divide, and this is going to give me the percentage of upvotes. It's going to be the same logic down here. The only difference it's going to be for the opposite gender. No difference at all. Okay, now the upvote logic. So again, this is going to be applied for the question and for the tag. It's the same logic. This method is created to prevent duplicated votes. That's why you need to add the account whenever you're going to vote. So I'm going to check the gender. So I have two sides here. One side for male, and down here else it's for female. So the logic repeats itself here. The only difference is the gender. Then I need to know if this voter and this user with the account has voted or not. So if the user has not voted, then I'm going to add this vote. So a vote is constituted by the account and the vote itself. As you can see here, let me see. Here, I have those two constants to show what is an upvote and what's a downvote. And a vote, as you can see here, is constituted by the account that has made the vote and an integer signifying if it is an upvote or downvote. So back down here to the upvote, yes. So let's say I have not voted yet. It's just going to add a new one. But let's say I already voted. This is the logic for upvote. But let's say that before I have downvoted. So this is going to make a switch. It's going to remove the vote that I've made previously and then add a new vote that is going to be upvote. The switch method is going to take care of it. So that is it. Okay, so add.
Ó, não faz barulho aí, por favor. Sua mãe foi dormir, ela não tá bem. Então para de ir lá fora e voltar.
And then upvote based on of the account. Check if is the first vote check if it is the first vote and then add it. If the account has already voted on the opposite option, that is downvote, use the switch method to erase the former vote and add a new upvote. Use the former downvote and add the new upvote. The only parameter is the account to check if it has voted or not. Check.
É que ele falou que não. Ele falou que não viu nada, nem no e-mail, nem no WhatsApp lá. Não, falou que não.
And same logic for the downvote, just upside down. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it there.
Tá bom. Vou mandar uma mensagem para ele mandar um pouco mais para ele.
And
não, amanhã dá pra gente sair.
check if it is the result. The account has already voted on the opposite option. That on this case is the upvote. Use the switch method to raise the former upvote and add the new downvote. Check if it has voted or not. That is it. Let me just correct this spelling here. Okay, this switch, as the name implies, is going to take a former vote and switch. So I don't even need to say the vote, what the vote has. It is going to get the current vote here. So get the gender, then get the vote, and then switch the vote. Pretty simple. And this will make sure that we have it's going to make sure we have, it's not single, it's a word that, well, unique, yes. We're going to have unique votes for each question or tag that is used the vote tracker.
Eu ver se eu dou uma passada aqui, daí explico melhor para vocês no tempo. Ele falou, não, pode passar, porque essa aqui me atendeu bem, e o ponto X não era nem a taxa, não era nem a quantidade. A questão da bom atendimento, não precisa amanhã eu faço assim, a gente esclarece, passa as informações, deixa acompanhamento que você está falando que está sendo importante para você, eu também tenho. Então, já tem tanto você tem uma atendimento para solucionar, como também um apoio que você precisar mais. Eu faço faz a situação.
It doesn't need a better explanation. That's enough to understand this. Okay, so this was the vote checker. The question is done. Okay. So the upvote for the question, for the tag, it's just going to call this same method inside of the vote tracker. So let's give an explanation here on how the question is going to work. Store the question and a summary of it in strings. I'm the author of this thing. What is author? It's author. This is the version 1. Since version 1. So our constructor, what is the constructor here? There we go. It's going to take a lot, and it's going to be the only constructor. Yes. So the author
de mercado, né? Você não tem que ficar querendo evidenciar a qualidade tão forte. Tem que só falar, tem um diferencial aqui, ó. Eu acho que ele dá rock lá. Dá rock lá e lá perto tem vários outros negócios lá. Vários outros peças lá perto também.
Ok. Getter.
Ah, sim.
Ok.
Ah, sim.
So it's important to remember that this getter is not going to return the question. it's going to return a string that is going to be utilized as a key in the question master. Okay, so get a key to retrieve the question in the tag master.
É o que a gente estava usando. Sim.
Summary, short, this
Tanto que eu expliquei pro Paulo, né? Você depois falou para ele também. E agora quem falou para mim foi ele. Ele que explicou para mim. Foi.
Okay, percentage of upvotes.
Tranquilo. E você me explicou também. E a questão do cartão de crédito
As I said, it's going to utilize the logic inside of vote tracker.
Mas isso vai faturar, então não tem problema nenhum. Claro, é verdade. Isso é inversão. Vai acontecer. Mas sim, a informação já ajuda já a conseguir isso. Já conclui lá e se bobear, pega até alguma indicação dele.
So I'm not using an account here because I just need to know the gender, so that's why I'm using a person. Use the person to
Porque se a gente passar lá, a gente ajuda ele a concluir, porque ele não é tão habilidoso, não pode ser uma distração, ele não consegue identificá-la. Vai ter alguns que a gente vai ter que fazer isso. Esse e-mail como que é, Fernando? Solicitação.
It's going to be the same thing in the account, in the upvote. The only difference inside of a question is that every time you upvote or downvote a question specifically, it's going to use the vote tracker to upvote or downvote, but it's also going to run a loop in all the tags contained in this question, and it's going to upvote or downvote. And the vote tracker is going to make sure there are no duplicates. So again, since we don't have really the tags, we just have the keys. We're going to pass the keys in the tag master, and it's going to return real tags. Then we're going to use those tags to run the loop and apply the votes.
Tá passando onde?
problems with the internet.
Então, assim, vamos ver se a gente se encontra às 9, que aí às 8 eu passo ali e passo lá no Guerrinha.
Okay, where was I?
E aí você fala onde você tá, que ele
I wrote the question. And, oh.
Tá bom. Ok, opa.
The children tags. Children
Sim.
tags.
Não, agora eu já anotei o primeiro. Anotei o primeiro aqui, né? Eu já faço na sequência dos outros.
Oh. Tracker. Upload. Get this tags using the keys. Upload.
Beleza, tranquilo. Não, pergunto sim. Ok, pergunto sim. Ok, obrigado. Outro, boa noite. Boa noite.
I still have not developed anything in a comment, but it's just going to be a string with the author. It's going to be like a question without a vote. Because, yes, for now, we're not going to track the votes in a comments. So comments are just going to be pieces of text, just it. I guess I've done everything. Let me check. Question, okay. Vote tracker, okay. Questions master, okay. This is one of the most important because we have help on the date here. Let me remove those unnecessary spaces. Tag master, save all the tags in one place. Let's remove this unnecessary code. The space as well. This is the constructor initializing everything. No need to explain. This is not doing anything, so I'm going to erase that as well. Everything else, okay. Tag, the tag is going to have a description for a question or for a person. Okay, same explanation I had for question. Let me copy that. Question, get question. Retrieve. Copy that. Erase that. Let's get back to the tag. And we know that those are getters and setters. Oof, so the tag master. So the question master. Question. master. Get key to retrieve question in the question master. Okay. And in a tag, get key to retrieve the tag. No, tab, tag. Tag in a tag master. Return the string summary. There is a key in the tag master. Tag master. And here we're going to set change the string describes the tag. String describes percentage of votes. The logic is in a vote tracker. Add vote tracker, down vote tracker. Okay? Person. Let's erase that. It's not necessary anymore. These names here are for the date profile when we create it. Let's get rid of that as well. Gender. Well, that's self-explanatory, not necessary here. It's just returning the gender. Get full name, self-explanatory. Get tags. Same thing as we have for the. Even going to copy that. Oh, so that's not returning what I said it does. There is another one, I guess. Get tag, no? Get the name of the tag that can be used as a key to retrieve the tag in the tag master. Okay. So it's going to be the same description for question. You know, I'm just going to create my own. Person. Okay, that's pretty much it. So, Vitaly, I hope you understood. I know the video was long and without any useful information. It had some, but I hope with this you might be able to understand what has been created here. Any questions? I'm there on Slack.